Shah Rukh Khan. King Khan is one of the richest actors worldwide and he has fan base across the world. The actor has an immense fan base in foreign countries and his movies earn a huge amount from the abroad box office too. Deepika Padukone. The actress has become a huge name in Bollywood now, and with that she has gained immense amount of foreign fans too. She has huge popularity in abroad, so much so that she got casted in a Hollywood movie opposite Vin Diesel. Salman Khan. There is no doubt about his fame in India and in abroad too. The star holds several shows in abroad which are always packed. Salman Khan has huge fan following in foreign countries and his movies too earn huge revenue from abroad box office. Katrina Kaif. This beautiful Bollywood actress who belongs from foreign country has great fan base in abroad too. Her fan base is so strong in other countries that she has her own Barbie too. Hrithik Roshan. There is no doubt about the huge fan base of Bollywood's Greek god Hrithik Roshan's fan base in other countries. This handsome Bollywood actor has a large number of foreign fans because of his good looks and dancing skills. Priyanka Chopra. What to say about this actress who is already known as a global icon and got casted in several Hollywood movies already. Priyanka has struggled hard to achieve the title of global icon and she is married to foreign pop star Nick Jonas. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. The stunning lady is considered as one of the most beautiful women in the world and she has done Hollywood movies too. Aishwarya has a great number of fans in abroad too for her acting and obviously for her stunning looks. Amitabh Bachchan. The Big B is undoubtedly one of those stars who has a worldwide stardom. He has many fans in foreign countries. Aamir Khan. Mr. Perfectionist is quite popular in other countries too and his movies earn a great amount from the foreign market too. Shilpa Shetty. The actress emerged as the winner of Big Brother reality show and since then she has a number of fans in abroad too. Anil Kapoor. This ever young Bollywood actor has quite a fan base in Bollywood too and he got casted in Slumdog Millionaire for his fame.